Visitor management is the process of welcoming visitors onto your premises. The sign-in part is only a small percentage of the process. There are other elements to consider, including visitor safety and security, evacuation management, notifying employees that a visitor has arrived to see them, and ensuring your visitor is willing to comply with non-disclosure agreements, which are unique to your company or facility. While visitor management has predominantly been handled via manual processes in the past, such as a paper visitor book and reception staff informing the employee a guest has arrived in person, it's now easy to manage all of these parts of the process in just one place. A visitor management solution is smart, simple, and professional. And all you need to do is download an app and install it to an iPad at your front desk. My name is Hadleigh, founder and CEO at SwipedOn. In this video, I'll take you through an introduction to visitor management and the results you can expect by implementing a digital sign-in solution. There are multiple benefits of replacing a paper guest book with a digital visitor management system. Not only does it present a modern and professional look for your business, but you can offer contactless sign-in for visitors and employees. Notify staff quickly via email or SMS text message when a visitor has arrived for them. Manage health and safety procedures for your staff and visitors with visitor screening and an emergency evacuation roll call, and ensure all data remains private. The visitor experience is important. It's crucial to make a good first impression to clients, potential customers, and visitors. Your reception area is the first port of entry, so it makes sense to ensure you use all of the tools at your disposal to create a warm and welcoming space in your reception area. Show your visitors that you truly care about their safety and security using data privacy compliance systems, and leave them feeling impressed right from the start as they journey into your world. Whichever country your business operates in, it's highly likely that you need to be compliant with local data privacy and COVID-19 legislation. A visitor management system will help you comply with these data privacy laws. 95% of organisations agree that a digital workplace is important. A visitor management system will not only help propel your business into a smarter, streamlined future by reinventing your business's welcome, but it has invaluable benefits around employee management too. Encourage employees to clock in and out using a dedicated contactless sign-in app. Enjoy full transparency and visibility, and empower a more positive employee experience. If you're unfamiliar with the term, choosing a visitor management system for your business or facility can be daunting. But here are the essentials. Choose features that help streamline the guest management process, offer contactless visitor and employee sign-in and out, guarantee better security, safety, and privacy for your organisation, comply with government regulations and requirements, gather data and generate useful reports, are easily scalable to support growing business needs.